Screen එකේ අඳින්න කවුරුත්
Hi everyone. I'm very sorry due to network issue, and also I appreciate your patience. So let's begin today's lesson. How is your weekend, guys? Hello, good evening, everyone.
Hello, good evening.
good
Okay,
evening.
how is your weekend? I think that you really enjoyed it. Am I correct?
Yes,
And also, did you study well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope your response. So please be responsive. So okay, let's start today's lesson. I thought to talk about be verbs today. Do you know be verbs? What are the be verbs?
Miss,
We
I
can-
was
Yeah, we can divide be verbs into 3 categories. The first category is present tense. The second category is past tense. And the future category is, the third category is future tense. Then for simple present tense, we can talk about be verbs that is and are. Do you know? Is and are. When we use a singular subject, we have to use is. When we talk about a plural sentence, we have to use are. Did you understand?
yes, Miss.
Okay, I have decided to do your lesson in English, to explain your lessons in English. If you have any doubt or if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Then I'll answer you. Do you like it? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's begin today's lesson. Be verbs. Then be verbs can be used in a description. What are the description? When we introduce a person, when we introduce someone's qualities, we can use be verbs. She is kind. She is kind. She is clever. Like that. First, let's consider what are the subjects. Subjects can be divided into two categories. I think you know that there are singular subjects and plural subjects. You can give me some examples for singular subjects. Could you please give me an example? For singular subjects. Asheni Madhushika, can you give me an example?
He, she, it, Kamal,
Yeah.
Nimal.
Yeah, very good. They are singular subjects. When we use a singular subjects in a sentence, we have to use singular be verbs in present tense. When we talk about present tense, when we use a singular subject, we use a singular be verb. In present tense, we use is. Okay, now you can give me some examples. Give me some sentences. Okay. Imasha, give me an example. Using a be verb, give me a one sentence. I have mentioned before, I am clever. I'm kind. She is kind. She is talkative. Like that. Imasha Nimnadi. Could you please give me a response? Okay, Lakshika Bandar. Do you have any question with this lesson? Do you have any doubt? Why didn't you respond me? I talk about the be verbs. Be verbs can be used in sentences when we talking about some qualities, like she is talkative, she is kind-hearted, she is honest, like that. Now you can give me some examples.
Mother is a housewife.
Okay, it's correct. Mother is a housewife. What else? Now we are talking about present tense of using be verbs. When we use singular subject, we should use is. And also, when we use a plural subject, we have to use are. What are the plural subjects? Give me some examples.
They, we,
Yeah, right. What else? Teachers, doctors, engineers, they are plural subjects. When we use a plural subject in a sentence, in present tense, we use are as a be verb. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, look at the screen. There are some examples in the screen. Pay attention for the screen. First, look at the structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus. Then we can use noun, adjective, noun plus adjective, preposition plus location. Now let's talk about what are the examples. When we use a noun, we can build up a sentence like this. He is a doctor. Doctor is a noun. Okay. Doctor is a noun. Then we can build up a sentence. He is a doctor. She is a teacher. Most of the time, we mention the job of them. And also, when we use a plural subject, we can use they are doctors, they are teachers, like that. Okay, then keep in mind, when we use a singular subject, we must use a singular be verb. And also, when we use a plural subject, we use a plural be verb. Next example, he is kind. Kind is a noun, adjective, or noun or adjective or verb, or what's the condition of kind?
Adjective.
Yeah, kind is a adjective. Then when we explain someone's qualities, we can use this method. He is kind. She is clever. Give me some examples.
She is honest.
Yeah, she is honest. What else? Nilmi, can you give me an example?
She is beautiful.
What? Could you
He
please
is
repeat?
beautiful.
She is beautiful. In the sentence, we don't use a. Okay? We don't use a. She is beautiful. If you
Okay,
want to use a, we should build up the sentence like this. She is a beautiful girl. This sentence is correct. Okay, Nilmi? Okay. When we use adjective, we don't put any article. We don't put any article. But when we use a noun, in a sentence, we put articles. But when we use adjectives, we don't put any article. Keep it in mind, okay? The third example. He is a kind doctor. Look at the example. In the sentence, an adjective and also a noun are used. Both are used. Give me some examples.
She is a
You can try
talkative
to
girl.
build up. Yeah, very good. She is a talkative girl. Then we can use a. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Malki, Could you please try? Malki?
She is polite. She is polite.
Okay, it's correct, but you should build up a sentence according to these examples. Then you can say she is a polite girl, like this. Okay?
Miss,
Yeah. Did you tell something?
she is polite.
Yeah. Then I ask an example according to this method. Then you can, she is polite is correct. Okay. But according to this example, you can use this, you can use like this sentence. She is a polite girl. She is a polite policeman, like that.
Okay.
Okay. Give me some examples. What else?
She is a singer.
Could you please response?
They are patient doctor.
What?
They are patient doctors.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Give me a minute. Okay. Then look at next example. He is in the ward. We can build up a sentence using be verbs to express the location with the preposition. Expressing or talking about a location, we should use preposition in, from, to, like that. Okay. He is in town. He is in the hospital. Okay. Then we can talk about a location. We can talk about a place. Give me some example for that sentence.
She
Vihanga
is
Anuhas.
at home.
Okay. We must use the preposition that Shall we move to the next slide?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. We talked about the be verbs of usage in simple present tense. In simple present tense, we can use subject plus be verb plus noun or adjective, or noun plus adjective, or preposition plus location. Okay, did you understand?
Yes,
I
Miss.
talk about the previous slide. Previous slide. Now, look at this screen. Look at the structure. Subject, then subject plus be verb. What are the be verbs? Am, is, are. After, we can use a noun. He is Kamal. Pay attention. He is Kamal. Then we don't use he is a Kamal. It's wrong. Okay. When we use a name of a person, we don't use any article. He is a Kamal. It is not correct. It should be correct like this. He is Kamal. He is Sunil. But the third word, with the third word, he is a student, not he is a student, or he is the student. Because student is not a name of a person. Did you understand? Have you got?
Okay.
The සහ කියන්නේ articles. හරි. එතකොට මේ articles දෙකේ වෙනස තමයි කියන්නේ he is a student. ඔහු ශිෂ්‍යයෙක්. He is the student. ඔහු ශිෂ්‍යයා. එතකොට ශිෂ්‍යයෙක් කියනකොට අපි හරියටම දන්නේ නැහැ කවුද කියලා. He is a student. එයා ළමෙක්. පාරේ ඉන්න ළමෙක්ට අපි කියන්නේ he is a student. අපි දන්න කෙනෙක් නම් ස්ටුඩන්ට්ව දන්නවා නම් අපි හරියට කලින් ඉඳන්ම he is the student කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? That is the difference. Okay. Let's talk about past tense. We talk about the present tense in usage of be verbs. Now we talk about the usage of past tense. What are the be verbs we can use in past tense? What are the be verbs?
Was,
Was, were. When we talk about a singular subject, we can use was. When we talk about plural subject, we can use were. Shall we move to the next slide?
Okay.
Okay, before talking about past tense, look at the screen. There are some adjectives in the screen. Then you can build up some sentences and give your answers to me. Okay, there are some adjectives: good, bad, tall, short, humble, educated, beautiful, innocent, brave, neat, clever, simple. Now you can build up a sentence. Then I'll ask you one by one. Okay. Build up a sentence, build up example. First, Asheni Madhushika. Could you please give me an example?
Amali is brave.
Speak louder. I can't hear you properly.
Amali is brave.
Yeah, very good. Amal is brave. It's correct. Next, Imasha Nimnadi.
Kasun is short.
Kasun is short. Okay. It's also correct. Next, Lakshika Bandara. Hurry up, please.
Yes, madam. Ruani is simple.
Okay, very good. Next, Malki.
Kavi is innocent.
Okay, very good. Next, Nilmi.
Sanchala is beautiful girl.
Yeah, then you can say the sentence like this. Chanchala is a beautiful girl. Is a. You can use the article like a. Okay. If there's a vowel
Okay.
sound, you can use an. But there's not a vowel sound, then you can use Chanchala is a beautiful girl. Have you got the idea, Nilmi?
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Next, Sashikala.
Mother is a humble woman.
Yeah, right. Very good. Mother is a humble woman. What's the meaning of humble? Sinhala meaning?
Nihatamani.
Yeah. Humble means nihatamani. Next, Vihanga Anuhas.
Amal is short.
Yeah, Amal is short. Very good. Then Yasiru.
Teacher is brave.
What?
Teacher is clever.
I can't hear you. Can you repeat it?
Teacher is clever.
Okay. Right, but I didn't hear the adjective. I think you talk it proper. You talk it correct. Shall we move to the next slide?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now look at the screen. First, look at the outlooks. Beautiful, pretty, funny, cute, handsome, gorgeous, ugly, attractive, young, middle-aged. They are adjectives. Now, you knew how to use these adjectives in a sentence using be verbs. Okay, you can study these adjectives more. I think it can be do yourself at home. Am I correct? Can you do it at home? You can build up sentence yourself and speech and do some speeches. Then also there are qualities in other side. Qualities can be divided into two categories, two sides. The first category is positive qualities. The second category is negative qualities. Look at the positive qualities. Okay, give some examples using these positive qualities. I'm sure that when we build up sentence with using your knowledge, you can improve your English knowledge well. English knowledge soon. So try to build up some examples. Try to make examples.
වාක්‍යයක් මන්ද
Yeah,
she's
you can give
pretty
me a long
well.
sentence. Long sentence. Because you gave me some short answers before.
Excuse me, Miss, my example.
Okay.
Bandhu Samarasinghe is a funny actor.
Yeah, very nice. Very good. What else?
Excuse me, miss.
My mango
Yeah.
friend is helpful girl.
Okay, very good. My mango friend is a helpful girl. Then you can use a.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Don't you give me some examples? You can make funny examples. You can make more advanced sentences using these words. My neighbor is a very jealous woman. Like that, you can try. My best friend is very careless girl. Don't you give me examples more?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Kamani is a rich woman in my village.
Yeah, very good. I hope sentence like that. When we make an example, when we make a sentence, you can add many things as the rest. Kamal is the most generous boy in our class. Okay, I think you can study these words at home. So shall we move to the next slide?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, now we can do a activity. You can explain your qualities using these adjectives. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, look at the screen. I am kind. I am very kind. You can prove it. I am too kind. I am kind sometimes. Okay, now you can express your qualities. You can explain your qualities using this too little. Some people says like this, some people says like this. Okay, first I think first I'm going to explain myself using these adjectives.
Okay, Miss.
I am honest. Some people say I am very generous. I am a little brave. Sometimes I am generous, but sometimes I'm not. I'm very talkative, and I'm too humble. As I feel, I am clever. I think um, I think I am kind-hearted, like that. Now you can express yourself, express your qualities. Okay, let's start. Ada, volunteer. In your speech, you should use these terms. Some people say it's like this. Little, sometimes, as I feel, I think. Those terms. Okay? Can you do it? Don't write anything and don't plan anything. You can make sentence. You can make sentences. Listen to me. Sashikala, can you do it? Yasiru, can you do it?
I am clever.
Okay, very good.
Mr. Hanawada,
Yeah.
I am clever. And I
Yeah.
am very clever. I am too generous. I am kind sometime. Sometime I am helpful. I am not that helpful. I am little open-hearted man. Some people say I am very cunning.
Okay, nice. Very good. Then when we use sometimes, not sometime. Okay, Yasiru, sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, next. Asheni Madhushika. Could you please start your speech?
Hello, Miss.
Yeah. Start.
I am kind. I am very careful. I am too innocent. Some people says I am very talkative girl. And I am a little kind. Sometimes I'm brave girl.
Is that all?
Yes, Miss, I am correct.
Okay. Could you please repeat your last sentence? Didn't you remember that?
Sometimes I'm brave girl.
Yeah. Sometimes I am a brave girl. Then you should use the article that okay. Sometimes I am a brave girl. Okay, very good. And also some people says not. Some people say, because some people is a plural subject. Okay. Look at the
Okay, Miss.
screen. Some people is a plural subject. So when we use some people in a sentence, we should a plural verb also. The plural verb form is of say is say,
Okay, Miss.
not says. Okay, very good. Next, Sashikala. Could you please start your speech? We are willing to know what the good qualities and bad qualities are of you. Sashikala. Sashikala, could you please start your speech? Okay, next Nilmi.
Oh, Miss, I am honestly, I am very honestly, I am too innocent, sometimes brave girl. Sometimes people say I am kind.
Yeah, continue. Nilmi. Yeah, continue your speech. You can use very, too, sometimes, like the terms.
Mm,
Okay, very good. But we all should make many sentences in at your home. Okay. Nilmi, you said that honestly. You said that honestly, not honestly. I am honest. Honest is the adjective. Okay. Don't use honestly.
honestly නෙවෙයි honest.
Yeah, honest. Avanka.
හරි මිස්. හරි මිස්.
Okay. I am honest. Or we can use I am a honest girl. Then you said that sometime brave girl. You didn't mention a subject. You should mention a subject. Sometimes I am a brave girl. Like that. Sometimes she is a brave girl. Okay, Nilmi?
Okay, miss.
Now have you known your mistake? Did you understand?
Okay, miss.
Oh, you didn't mention the subject. You didn't tell us what the subject is. In the sentence, you should say, sometimes I am a brave girl. Like that. Okay. Next. Vihanga Anuhas. Vihanga Anuhas. We would like to know your ideas. Can you explain them?
Excuse me, miss.
Yeah.
මං කියන්නද?
Okay.
I am innocent. I am very honest. I am too helpful. Another people's I am a talkative. I am a little funny.
Okay, very good. Sashikala, pay attention to your mistakes You said that I am innocent. It should be correct like this. I am innocent because innocent is an adjective. When we use an adjective in a sentence, we don't use any article. If you want to put a, you can say the sentence like this. I am an innocent girl. It is a correct sentence. But I am innocent. It is not correct. It's wrong. Have you got the idea, Sashikala?
Yes, Miss.
අපි adjective එකක් විතරක් use කරද්දී articles use කරන්නේ නැහැ. Adjective එකයි person කෙනෙකුයි use කරනවා නම් මේ articles දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? I am innocent it is wrong. You can say I am an innocent girl like that. And Sashikala, you said that another people say, not another people, some people says. What is the meaning of another people? Another people means,
වෙනත් කිය-
yeah, වෙනත්. But in these sentences, we should say some people, සමහර මිනිස්සු. Okay? Sashikala.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah,
Okay,
very
Miss.
good. Next, Malki.
I am talkative, but sometimes I am a witty girl, and also some people say I am stubborn.
Is that all, Malki?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. There's no mistakes in your speech. And also, we talk only 3 sentences. You said only 3 sentences. Okay, very good, Malki. Next, Lakshika Bandara. Did you give your ideas? Lakshika Bandara. Oh. Okay, Imasha Nimnadi. Did
I
you?
am a helpful girl. I am very kind. Sometimes I am sensitive. I am too humble. Some people say I am talkative.
Okay, very good. You did it really well. Okay, now let's move to the next slide.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Shall we move to the next slide?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, I'm waiting to until move to the slide next slide because I'm not the host. And students, I have made a homework group. Then I will share the link of that group. You can join the group. And I put a link of an app. You can download the app. There are many dialogues in the app. Okay. When you go to the app, you can choose a partner. One partner is provided. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, I'll share the link of homework group. I'll share the link. You all add to the group, homework group.
මොකද්ද මිස් කිව්වේ?
ලින්ක් එකක් ෂෙයා වෙලා නෑනේ මිස්.
This is the link of our homework group. Then you can
Yes, Miss.
then I will share the link of that. You can download it. After that, do your audios well, and I will check them. And also, end of the course, I will mark you. I will place you according to your spoken ability. Okay, and so do the activity every day. Okay, guys, do your activity every day and send them to the homework group.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Actually, it's really nice. It's very enjoyable. You can enjoy with the activity.
මිස්සේ මේ ඩයලොග් තියෙන මේ ඇප් එකේ ලින්ක් එක මිස් ෂෙයා කරනවද?
Yeah, I'll share the link on the homework group. Okay.
Okay, miss.
So today itself, you add to the homework group. After the class, after ending class, I'll share the link of that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sanduni Nimesha, could you please hear me? Shall we move to the next slide? Okay. Look at the screen. The screen shows how to make sentence with location. Look at the screen. When we use a location, we should use also a preposition. What are the prepositions? Example, give me some examples to the prepositions. You have known already. Give me some examples. Okay, Sashikala, tell me.
On, near, behind, in front of.
Yeah, they are prepositions. When we talk about some location or some place, we should put a preposition before the location. See the examples. Kamal is in the class. When we use a plural subject, we should use are, not is. Then we can say a sentence, teachers are in the class, like that. Okay. When we talk about the singular subject, we should use is. Then Kamal is in the class, like that. When we talk about a plural subject, we should are. Teachers are in the class, like that. Now, make some examples yourself and tell your examples. Hurry up.
My
Cat.
mother is in the kitchen.
Yeah, very good. My mother is in the kitchen. What else?
Cat is in the box.
Yeah, cat is in the box. Very good. What else? What's the difference of at and near? Do you know the difference properly between at and near? Do you have an idea? We use at to express something that is in very closer to a something. Okay, we use at to express something that is very closer to another one, very closer. But near, we use near to express close something, but it is not closer than at. යම් කිසි දෙයකට වඩාත්ම ළඟ දෙය ළඟම තියෙන දේ at කියලා අපි use කරනවා. ඊතරම් ළඟ නොවන දෙයකට near කියන එක use කරනවා. Okay, I am at the gate. I am at the gate. මං gate එක ගාවම ඉන්නවා. I am at the gate. I am near the gate. gate එක ගාවම නෙවෙයි චුට්ටක් එහා. at කියන එකෙන් තමයි ඒක ගාවම කියන එක කියන්නේ. Okay? Have you got the idea? Did you understand the difference?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, very good. Okay, give me some examples using these words. Should I ask one by one? Should I ask one by one? Okay, Malki, give me an example. Give me an example.
Kamal is near the river. They are on the roof. I am in the hospital.
Okay, very good. Next, Nilmi. Nilmi, can you hear me?
My mother is near the post office and the bank.
Okay, very good. But at the same time, it's hard to in two places. Did you mean between like that? Nilmi? Okay. It's grammatically
Okay.
correct. Okay. Next. Okay, Nilmi, very good. Next.
Thank you.
Okay. Vihanga Anuhas.
Glass is on the table.
Okay, very good. Glass is on the table. Vihanga Anuhas. Can you give me an example?
Amal is behind the tree.
Amal is behind.
The tree.
Okay, very good. Very good. Next. What else? Yasiru, could you please give me an example?
I am standing in front of them in the shop.
Okay, very good. Next, Ashwini Madhushik.
My friend is near the playground with her mother.
Okay, very good. If I ask an example or sentence, you can add more things to the sentence. Then it is a more advanced. It will become more advanced. Okay, so try to add many parts to the sentence, to your examples. Okay, shall we move to the next slide?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, look at the screen. We talk about how to use be verbs in positive forms. Now let's talk about how to use be verbs in negative forms and interrogative forms. Okay, we talk about the positive form. What's the positive form? In the positive form, we use is, am, are in present tense. In past tense, was, were. In future tense, we use will, be. Okay. Then those are the present tense. Those are positive form. When we come to the negative form, negative condition, we should use not after the be verbs. Okay, then you can use is not, am not, are not, like that. And also we can short that words. Is not can be short, isn't. Are not can be short, aren't. Am not can be short, aren't. Okay, have you got the idea?
Okay, miss.
Okay. She is a teacher. What's the Sinhala meaning? Tell me. She's a teacher.
ඇය ගුරුවරිය.
teacher කෙනෙක්.
Yeah, very good. She is not a teacher.
ඇය ගුරුවරියක් නෙවෙයි.
Yeah, very good. A ගුරුවරියක් නෙවෙයි. She is not a teacher. And also, we can say the same sentence like this. She isn't a teacher. She is a teacher. She is not a teacher. It is correct. And also, she isn't a teacher. That is also correct. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Very good. Then we talk about positive form, then negative form. Now let's see interrogative form. What is the interrogative form? Interrogative form means question form. Prashnarthaya. She is a teacher. Aya guruvariyak. She is not a teacher. Aya guruvariyak noveyi. Aya guruvariyakda. When we want to ask a question, we should use interrogative form. We should use question form. Then we can ask, is a teacher? What happened to the sentence? Students. In positive form, we used subject plus helping verb plus article, sometimes article, plus noun, adjective, or like that. Okay. Then it is positive form. When we become to the interrogative form or question form, we should put the helping verb in front of the sentence. Look at the second example. Is she a teacher? In the sentence, is the helping verb. In interrogative form, we should is in front of the sentence. Okay. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, let me know now. Should I explain the lesson in Sinhala?
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Thanks for your response. Okay, I'll explain the lesson in Sinhala. Positive form එකේදී අපි use කරන structure එක තමයි subject. අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් adjective එකක්, noun එක. Okay, නැත්නම් location අපි කතා කරේ. Did you remember the previous lesson?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In positive form, when we come to the interrogative form කියන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථය. ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇසීම. එතකොට interrogative form සමානයි question form කියන එකට. හරි? පටල ගන්න එපා. positive form කියන්නේ ඇත කියන අර්ථය. Okay. Negative form නැත අර්ථය. Interrogative form or question form ඒ දෙකම same. Okay? දෙකම same. ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථය. Next. Interrogative negative. නැත අර්ථයේ ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථය. හරි. අපි දැන් සිංහලෙන් බලමු. ඇය ගුරුවරියක්. She is a teacher. ඇය ගුරුවරියක් නෙවෙයි. She is not a teacher. She is not a teacher. ඇය ගුරුවරියක්ද? අපි එතකොට helping verb එක ගේන්න ඕනි වාක්‍යයේ ඉස්සරහට. We should put the helping verb in front of the sentence. Then we can say the sentence, is she a teacher? එතකොට හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න positive form එකේදී subject එක helping verb එක ඊට පස්සේ noun adjective like that ඒ වගේ use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Form help not when we interrogative form or question form we should in sentence අර්ථයට එනකොට අපිට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ helping verb එක වාක්‍ය ඉස්සරහට ගෙනල්ලා තියන්න. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. First, let's talk about some negative, talk about many positive sentences in slides with previous. Own වෛද්‍යවරු නොවේ. How to convert it?
They are not
They are not doctors. Very good. How to short it?
They aren't doctors.
They are not doctors. Or they aren't, sorry, they own ගුරුවරුද? How to ask? How to convert it? Sashikala.
They are teachers. Nah.
own
Miss,
ගුරුවරුද?
Are they
Are they
teachers?
teachers?
Yeah, very good. Are they teachers? Own ගුරුවරුන්. How to say that? They are teachers. Own ගුරුවරුන්. Own ගුරුවරුන්ද? It is question form. Okay. Then we should put our helping verb in front of the sentence. අපි helping verb because okay,
Yes.
Sashikala. Okay. Own ගුරුවරු, they are teachers. Own ගුරුවරුන් මොකද්ද මේ වාක්‍ය helping verb එක? What's the helping verb? Ah. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Then we should put are in front of the sentence. Then the sentence is are they own ළමයි නෙවෙයිද? How to convert it?
They are not child. Are they not
නෙවෙයිද?
child?
What?
Aren't they a child?
Yeah.
They
it's-
aren't children.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Aren't they child? Own ශිෂ්‍යයෝ කියන්නේ own students ලා. How to say that sentence? They are students. Own ශිෂ්‍යයන්ද? Are they students? Own ශිෂ්‍යයන් නෙවෙයිද? aren't they students? Okay, have you got the idea?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, let's see some examples. අය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක්ද? How to convert it?
Is she clever girl?
Yeah, very good. Is she a clever girl? Because when we convert the sentence, අය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක්. How to convert girl? Okay, she is a, we use article, we use a article. She is a clever girl. Then when we come to the question form, when we come to the use a also, අපි positive form එකේදී a use කරනවා. එහෙනම් question form එකට එද්දී a නැති වෙන්න බෑ. තේරුණාද? Have you got the idea? අය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක්. She is a clever girl. අය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක් නෙවෙයි. She isn't a clever girl. අය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක්ද? Is she a clever girl? ඇය දක්ෂ ගැහණු ළමයෙක් නෙවෙයිද? Isn't she a clever girl? පැහැදිලිද? Did you understand well?
Yes, Miss.
If you have any doubt, let me know now. Should I explain the lesson more? Are there some doubts with you, with the lesson?
මොකද්ද මේ?
මන් තව පැහැදිලි කරන්න ඕනිද?
අනේ මිස් අනේ තා පොඩ්ඩක්.
Okay, okay. අපි කතා කරමු. There are 4 forms of using be verbs. Okay. The first form is positive form. Positive form is ඇත අර්ථය. ඇත. The second form is negative form. නැත අර්ථය. The third form is interrogative form. එහෙම නැත්නම් question form. ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථය. The fourth form is negative interrogative. නැත අර්ථයේ ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථය. Did you understand the topics?
Okay.
Okay, if you have a special thing, you can note down. If you want more time, you can tell me. ලියා ගන්න time එකක් ඕන නම් මට කියන්න. Okay, very good. Look at the screen. I'll ask some question from you. You answer for me. Okay? She is a teacher. What's the form? Positive, negative, interrogative, or negative interrogative?
Positive.
Yeah, very good. She is a teacher. This sentence is in positive form. අය ගුරුවරියක්. මේ වාක්‍යය තියෙන්නේ positive form එකේ. ඇත්ත කියන අර්ථයෙන් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Have you got the idea? All did you understand?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Yeah, very good.
Miss.
Look the second example. Is she a teacher? Tell me what the form.
Negative form.
Positive,
Negative.
negative. Yeah, tell me.
Negative.
Negative.
Is she a teacher? Is it negative form?
Positive interrogative.
Interrogative.
Yeah,
Negative.
interrogative. Positive interrogative එකේදී අපි positive interrogative කියන එක use කරන්න ඕනිම නැහැ. Interrogative කිව්වහම ඇති. Interrogative form. The sentence is in interrogative form. Did you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. She is not a teacher. Tell me what the form of this sentence. She is not a teacher.
Negative.
Negative.
Yeah, very good. It is in negative form. Look at the screen. She is not a teacher. It is in negative form. Then look at the next example. Isn't she a teacher? Tell me what the form.
Negative.
What is the form? Students. What's the form? They are not. They aren't students.
Negative. Interrogative.
Negative.
They are not students. Tell me
Negative.
correctly. Yeah, negative. විතරයි. එතන ප්‍රශ්නාර්ථයක් තියෙනවද? නිල්මි.
No, Miss.
Yeah. There's no it's a correction. It's not correction in the negative form.
Negative
No.
form.
Yeah. Did you tell something?
Interrogative කියන්නේ මේ අකුරු කියන්නු.
Not E, I-N-T-E-R.
Okay.
O-G-A-T-I-V-E. Int. First write down inter. I-N-T-E-R. Inter. Then row. R-O. G-A-T-I-V-E. Inter. You can convert them into English. own avanka minissuda. How to convert it into English? Own avanka minissuda. Anyone can answer.
Are
Okay.
they honest people?
Yeah, very good. Are they honest people? Own avanka minissuda. Next. Own aya kapati gahanu lamekda. Kapati. What's the word? Kapati.
Cunning.
Yeah, very good. Cunning. Do you know the spelling? C-U-N-N-I-N-G. Cunning. If you don't know the spelling, note down.
මිස් මොකද්ද වාක්‍යය?
අය කපටි ගැහණු ළමයෙක්ද? Anyone answer me?
Is she a cunning girl?
Yeah, very good. Is she a cunning girl? අය නිර්භීත පිරිමි ළමෙක් නෙවෙයිද? How to convert it?
Isn't he a brave boy?
Isn't he a brave boy? Very good. Okay. Next, එක අලුත් ගයක් නෙවෙයිද? Modern. The word is modern. එක අලුත් ගයක් නෙවෙයිද?
Is it a new home?
Isn't
Isn't that new things?
Isn't it new home?
what?
Isn't it new home?
Yeah. Isn't it a modern house? Not home. Okay? Because when we talk about our house, we can use home. The word that home. But when we talk about other house, we don't use home. අපි අපේ ගෙදර ගැන කතා කරනවා නම් අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ home. අපි වෙන ගයක් ගැන කතා කරනවා නම් අපි කතා කරන්නේ house. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay. අපේ ගෙදර ගැන විතරයි අපි home කියන වචනේ use කරන්නේ කතා කරද්දී. Okay? ඒක අලුත් ගයක්. ඒක අලුත් ගයක් නෙවෙයිද? ඒක අලුත් ගයක්. It is a modern house. ඒක අලුත් ගයක් නෙවෙයි. It is not a modern house. ඒක අලුත් ගයක්ද? How to convert it? Tell me.
Is it a modern house?
Is it modern home?
Yeah, very good. Is it a modern home? When we make a sentence in positive form, if we put a, we must use a in question form. In question forms. අපි positive form එකේදී කියලා use කරනවා නම් අපි ඒක negative මේ positive මේ question form එකට යද්දී අපි අතින් ඒක නැති වෙන්න බෑ. දැන් අපි positive form එකේ කතා කරා it is a modern home. We used the article. Then the article should be in the question form also. question form එකෙත් ඒක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට is it a modern house? එතනට එනකොට එක නැති වෙන්න බෑ. Okay, have you got the idea?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa අවංක පාලකයෙක් නෙවෙයිද? How to convert it? Samadhi, have you joined to the meeting just now? I didn't see you before. Samadhi. Okay. Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa අවංක පාලකයෙක් නෙවෙයිද? How to convert it into English? Hurry up. First, you should make the sentence as Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa is a honest ruler. Gotabaya Rajapaksa අවංක පාලකයෙක්. හරි. එක පාරට interrogative form එකට යන්න බැරි නම් ඔයා කරන්න ඕනේ positive form එක හදන්න. When we come to the positive form, we can say the sentence Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa is a honest ruler. Now tell, what is the negative interrogative form?
Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa not honest ruler.
මිස් මං කියන්නද?
Could you please repeat it? Okay, Sashikala, tell me.
Isn't Gotabaya Rajapaksa honorable ruler?
Okay, isn't Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa a honest ruler? හැම වෙලේම මතක තියාගන්න question form එකේදී අපිට තියෙන්නේ helping verb එක මුලට අරගෙන එන්න. එතකොට positive form එකේදී නම් කරන්න ඕනි මේ interrogative form එකේදී is, am, are, was, were, will be ඒ වගේ එකක් තමයි ඉස්සරහට එන්නේ. අපි තවම was, were, will be කතා කරේ නැහැ. Let's discuss the lesson next day. But we know the be verbs that use in present tense. What are the be verbs? Am, is, are. In interrogative form, we can make the interrogative sentences using am, is, are in front of the sentence. Keep it mind in front of the sentence. वाक्य ඉස්සරහින් am, is, are use කරනවා interrogative form එකේදී. එහෙම නැතිනම් question form එකේදී. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
When we come to the negative interrogative form, am, is, are කියන එකට additional add වෙනවා not. Then we can say isn't, aren't. Gotabaya Rajapaksa අවංක පාලකෙක් නොවේද? Isn't Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa a honest ruler? Okay. If you have some doubts with the lesson, I'll put some homework to the homework group. Do you like that?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. I'll put some sentences in Sinhala sentences also. I'll put some Sinhala sentences. Then you can convert them into English. Okay. And also, I think then you can improve your knowledge. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have any question with the lesson.
No.
No. Okay. How about others?
I am eකට arm name is arm name.
What?
I am එකවුත් arm නේ not again.
Yeah,
I am not
amped. I'm not amped like that. Amped. Okay.
okay.
I decided to do your lessons in English today because previous day I did the lesson in Sinhala mainly, but today I decided I should do your lessons in English. So don't you like that? I don't know whether you like or not. Do you like that?
මේ සිංහලෙන් පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්නකෝ.
Okay. ගිය සතියේ මම සිංහලෙන් ගොඩක් පාඩම කළේ නේද?
ඔව්.
හරි. එතකොට හැබැයි මම අද හිතුවා ටිකක් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කරන්න ඕනි කියලා. ඒ නිසා මම ගොඩක් පැහැදිලිවද ඔයාලට? ඒකට කැමති නැද්ද ඔයාලා මීට වඩා සිංහල මම යූස් කරන්න ඕනිද?
අනේ ඕ මේ ටිකක් කවලම් කරලාට කමන්නේ ඉතින්.
Miss
Okay. එදා යූස් කරා වැඩි
එදා මේ අද පොඩ්ඩක් ඉංග්‍රීසි වැඩි මිස්.
Okay. How about others? Give me your...
ඉඩු කරලා ඉංග්‍රීසිම ගමු අන්තිමට.
Okay, okay.
ඉදිරියට යනකොට එහෙම කරමු මිස් ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් පාවිච්චි කරමු ඉතින්.
Okay. අද ලෙසන් එක ගැන බය වෙන්න එපා. මේ ලෙසන් එක ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි නැතුව ඇති කියලා මට ටික ටික තේරුණා. මොකද එක්සැම්පල් අහද්දි සමහර තැන්වල වැරදුනානේ. මේක මුල්ම පාර්ට් එක. හරි. අපි තාම ටෙන්සස් කතා කරෙත් නැහැනේ. මම හිතියේ අද ප්‍රසන්ට් ටෙන්ස් කතා කරන්න. මේ හැබැයි මේ පස්සේ හිතුවා මේක කරන්න ඕනි කියලා. එතකොට මේක මුල්ම පාර්ට් එකක් නේ. ඒකයි චුට්ටක් මම වෙගින් කළේ. හරි. ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා ඇතිනේ. මම homework group එකට හැමෝම ඇඩ් වුණාද? group එකට ඇඩ් වුණාද ඔයාලා?
ස්පෝකන් ඉංග්‍රීසි කරද මිස්?
No. homework group එකට තමයි ඔක්කොම දාන්නේ මම. homework group එකට ඇඩ්
ඊට
වුණා.
ඉංග්‍රීසි ස්පෝකන් ගෲප් එකට දාන්න පුළුවන් ලින්ක් එක.
ඒ කිව්වේ homework group එක නේද? මම අර app එක ගැන කියපු group එක නේද?
ඔව් ඒකේ ලින්ක් එක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා.
හරි. වැඩකින්. ඒක මම කලින් ෂෙයා කළා. ඒක දැන් නැද්ද?
මේ මම ලැප් එකකින් ඉන්නේ.
හරි. I'll share the link now. හරි මේ group එකෙන් ඔයාලා ඒ group එකට add වෙන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මම අදම add වෙන්න. දැන්ම add වෙන්න. මම දානවා app එක. ඒ app එකේ කරන්න තියෙන නම එකක් දැන් සිංහලෙන්ම කියන්න. ඒ app එකේ තියෙනවා dialogues ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. හරි. ඔයාලා app එකට ගිහිල්ලා first dialogue එකට යන්න ඕනේ. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා ඒක හොඳට you should listen to well to the audio first. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් එතනින් partner කෙනෙක් තෝරගෙන එයා එක්ක practice කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඇත්තටම practice කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. It's really enjoyable. Okay. You can practice with your partner. After that, make the best audio. ඊට පස්සේ ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා ටික වෙලාවක් හොඳම රෙකෝඩ් එක එතනම රෙකෝඩ් එකකුත් තියෙනවා. එතනින් රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න තියෙනවා. ඒතර පාර්ට්නර් ඔයයි. පාර්ට්නර් ඇප් එකකින් එනවා. හරි. රෙකෝඩ් එක කරලා group එකට දාන්න තියෙනවා. හරි. එතකොට පාර්ට්නර් දැන් එකවල දැන් පාර්ට්නර් මාරු කරගන්න ඕනේ. හරි. එතකොට එක දවසකට එක්කෙනෙක් ඔඩියෝස් දෙකක් එවන්න ඕනේ. පැහැදිලිද මම කියපු එක?
Okay, Miss.
Miss ආයි කියන්න.
හරි. එක්කෙනෙක් දවසට ඔඩියෝස් දෙකක් එවන්න. මේක ඇත්තටම නියමයි. ඔයාලා ඒකට පුරුදු වෙන්න. අර කරන්න නැතුව ඉඳලා එක දිගට මට ඔඩියෝස් එවන්න එපා. එතකොට ඒක බලන්නත් අමාරුයි. පැටලෙනවත් එක්ක පිළිවෙලට කරන්න පළවෙනි එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න. එතකොට අද ඕනේ නැහැ හෙට ඉඳන්. හෙට පළවෙනි එක කරලා එවන්න. දවස් ඉවර වෙන්න කලින්. ඊපස්සේ සඳුදා ඊළඟ ඔඩියෝ එක කරන්න.
Miss අපේ app
Have you got the idea?
Miss
Yeah.
ඒ app එක අපි දාගන්න ඕනේද?
ඔව් මම app එකේ link එක දාන්නම් group එකට.
ආ.
ඒ link එකට ගිහින් Play Store වලින් download කරගන්න.
හරි මිස්. හා.
හරි. එතකොට ඒක කරන්න මම homework දානවා group එකට අනිවාර්යෙන් අදම කට්ටිය add වෙන්න. හරි. අද රැට මම homework ටිකක් දානවා. ඒ ටික කරලා මට එවන්න. හරි. එක දිගට ගොඩාක් එවන්න එපා. එකතු කරලා ඒ දෙන ටික එදාට එවන්න. හරි නේද?
මිස්ගේ නම්බරට එවන හරිනේ නේ? මිස්ගේ නම්බරට සෙන්ඩ් කරන හරිනේ?
no group එකට.
Homework.
okay.
homework group එකට තමයි ඔක්කොම දාන්න ඕනේ. okay?
ආ මිස් හරි.
ඔඩියෝස් දෙකයි. ඔඩියෝස් දෙක තමයි දිගටම යන වැඩේ. homework හැමදාම ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් අද පාඩමේ පොඩි doubts ටිකක් තියෙන නිසා ඔයාලට මම ඒක ප්‍රශ්න ටික නැති වෙන විදිහට sentences ටිකක් දානවා. group එකට දාන්නේ. ඔයාලා answers ලියලා ඒ ටිකත් group එකට දාන්න. Did you understand well?
Yes.
Okay. කැමතිනේ වැඩ අතපසු කරන්න නැතුව don't miss your homework. Do your homework well. Okay? Then you can
Okay.
improve your English knowledge soon and well. End of this course, you can speak in English well. Would you like that?
Okay.
Okay.
online use කරන app එක නෙමෙයි නේද?
මොකද්ද?
online use කරන app එක නෙමෙයි නේද?
නැහැ. ඒක ඒ කියන්නේ එක download එක වෙන්න යනම data ගානක්. හරි ඊට පස්සේ මොකුත් නැහැ. පොඩි data ප්‍රමාණයක් කියන්නේ ඒක download වෙනකන්. ඒ කියන්නේ dialog එකකින් එකට download වෙන්න data ඕනි චුට්ටක්. එච්චරයි. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට record කරන්න තියෙන්නේ ඒකට data ඕනි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි?
okay.
app එක ගන්නකො අරගෙන ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න මගේ. හරි? ඊළඟට group එකේ chat කියන්නේ මොන හරි අහනවා නම් try කරන්න english වලින් අහන්න. හරි වැරද්දක් තිබුණාට කමක් නැහැ try කරන්න. එතකොට මමත් english වලින් ඔයාලට answer කරන්න. එතකොට ටිකක් ඔයාලගේ knowledge එක වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන්.
අපි රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න ඕනේ මිස් ඒ app එකේනේ තියෙන්නේ නේද?
ඔව් ඔව් ඒකෙම තියෙනවා ඔක්කොම. ඒක app එකට ගියාම තේරෙනවා. හරි? අද මම link එක දාන්නම් app එකට ගිහින් බලන්නකෝ. okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think they are enough to today. Okay, study well and homework. Do your homework well. Then see you next day. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Good night.
Bye, teacher.
Good night.
Goodbye. Goodbye teacher. Good night.
Homework group එකට දැම්ම add වෙන්න.